Hello everybody, I hope you're all well in these unprecedented times. We're nearly at the end of the road, thank goodness. As you all know, I do my own self-maintenance, a bond 7 to 10 days depending on how hard I work out. Now this hair system is mine. I've only got it on loose tapes at the front, so I'll take it really carefully to brush it back. The reason I wanted to show you this is just how good this system looks after 11 months old. I alternate two. When they started off, they were more grey with blonde than blonde with grey. Now there's more blonde with grey as time has gone on, and that's because the hair system oxidised. Anyone that follows my posts know that I wear the system and allow it to oxidise through the middle, but I wear a wax around the side so it gets a blend from my own hair around here. It works really well for me. This one does need some colour work now because it's going a little bit too blonde, and because of this grey trend that happened a couple of years ago, the manufacturers have developed colour creams that you can actually add the grey back. It is quite precise. It's not something that you can really do. It's more for professional people to do, and that's why people send in their hair systems for that to happen. Now this is 11 months old, alternating with two. I live the life I expect the clients to by looking after hair systems. Remove it carefully, use solvents. I do it every, like I say, 2 weeks at maximum, 7 to 10 days, and there's less residue. So if I peel this off carefully at the back, bear with me, and then roll this off. I'm not sure if that'll stay on. Will it stay on? Yeah, well, I'll leave that there for a minute so it can stay steady and let that focus in. That's 11 months old and that base looks like a new one. So if you look after a quality hair system, the rewards are massive. If you don't, it becomes an expensive hobby, and then you may as well get one of those cheap and cheerful ones on the internet. I won't wear one of those in a million years. Because I just think they're awful. Anyway, right, let me peel this off, and then let me just come round and show you the front. Hopefully that'll focus in, and you can see, look how good the lace looks. And these systems, the two that I had for these systems, came on the 12th month 2019. If you look at this bit here at the back, you could probably see it, 12/19. Order 10,832, and there's a PO for me. So all I'm saying, guys, you look after the hair systems like I look after them, and it isn't an expensive way to do this. If you don't, there's no point doing it. There really isn't, because it can become an expensive hobby. But there's the evidence for you, my hair system. And hopefully you can see that the system has been coloured and it's a little bit darker. I've managed to keep the grey into it and some of the blondes. You can see again just how natural that looks when you get the skin colour right with a lace colour. That's one thing that we stand out for. We've got 12 different lace colours, and you think that'd be easy to do, but universally in the industry there's just 3. The lace, I've sourced the lace and supply the factory, so I've got some control over that. This at the front is 64A universal, known as Swiss, but our 64A lasts double the amount of time. And the main base back here, you can see it looks really natural. That's 64B, or known universally as French, but it's slightly different and more durable. And you can see that looks really natural, and the colour I've done really well. So I'm going to put this on my head, spin around the chair so you'll see it for the finale. And if you notice the grey background, Troy came in and painted. So thank you, Troy. And here it is. People say to me, Phil, you look great for 56. Hair system and mental age. Way! Way! Way!